So now we want to look at, can we actually run your custom reports that you've customized for a specific project, right? Or for a specific tracking category. So again, I'm going to go to my profit and loss, and I'm going to go to the custom report that has been created. So again, you can see it's here, profit and loss with variance. And I'm going to look at, so I'm going to keep it as same January to February. And here you can see that, okay, this was for the organization as a whole. I'm going to add in my year-to-date column, just so that I can see what is my figure for the whole year. And if I now click on filter, so say I want to do project A only, and I apply my filter, and then I click update, you'll see that now it's telling me it's my profit and loss for the year ended Feb 2025, and my project is project A. So project A, if we're looking at it compared to February compared to January, we can now run this report, right? So you can run it for each individual project. And then obviously you would then export it and save it on your computer. And that's basically how to run your customized report for a specific tracking category.